and we're doing something we believe is fiscally responsible, and it puts us in a position in 4 years to come back and assess this environment, assess the economy, see where we are, and we can proceed forward. The tax cut in 2016, we're halfway through it right now. So, I mean, that was the largest tax cut in Mississippi history at just a little over $400 million. This is over $300 million of recurring money, and I think the total package is about over $450 million. But we're taking a measured approach. We're not raising taxes on anyone, and we're doing such in a manner that's going to be implemented rather quickly, and we can come back and assess the economy and assess the environment we're in 4 years and see where we are and go from there.
Some lawsuit with mental health. Federal Department of Justice is investigating the Department of Corrections. Any concern?
I think we've taken into consideration those things. We've been making progress in all those areas. I think we've addressed a lot of the issues. Senator Hobson and the Appropriations Committee has obviously met with all these agency heads and tried to assess what their needs are. And we've done so, and this is just kind of what is left over that we're looking at. We're trying to take a measured approach and look at the revenues that we expect to come in. I think we've done a conservative estimate on what the state should be receiving next year and what our expenses are going to be. And I think it all works out in our pro forma. We did a 5-year pro forma that looks at taking consideration the joint legislative budget revenue estimate, and also factoring in our cuts, and there's still 2% set aside left over and some cushion on top of it. So I think we've done the responsible thing to make sure we have room in case there's a kind of a hiccup in our future. And we believe there's going to be a downturn at some point. I don't think anybody's under the impression the economy is going to still create $6, $9, $7 billion of revenue a year. I think there's going to be a dip, but we feel like we're going to have room in our plan to absorb that and keep going through.
No two analyses of either this plan or the House appear to agree or job. What's the average citizen supposed to think from that?
Well, look, I think our plan is very easy to understand. It's simple. It didn't take very long to explain it to people. The grocery taxes are going from 7% to 5%. We're going to eliminate the 4% bracket, and we're going to give a rebate check back to taxpayers that paid taxes to the state of Mississippi. That's instant relief with the tax rebate and the grocery taxes. And over time, it's measured in with the elimination of the 4% bracket. Like I said, it's not very far off of the largest tax cut in Mississippi history, and we're doing so in a responsible manner that implements it in a short period of time.